Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your ClickBank Hoplink settings, full guide step by step clearly. To update your ClickBank Hoplink settings, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the tracking IDs option in the menu. Click on tracking IDs to view your existing Hoplinks. To create a new tracking ID, click on the Create New Tracking ID button. In the provided field, enter a unique name for your new tracking ID. This name will help you identify the source of your traffic later. Next, select the product you want to associate with this tracking ID. After making your selection, click Save to create the tracking ID. Now, head over to the Marketplace section from the main dashboard. Use the search bar to find the product related to your Hoplink. Once you locate the product, click on the Promote button next to it. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter your new tracking ID. Make sure to input the tracking ID into the appropriate field. After entering the tracking ID, continue by clicking the Generate Hoplink button. Your updated Hoplink will be displayed in the pop-up window. Copy this newly generated Hoplink to use in your promotions. If you wish to edit any existing tracking IDs, return to the Tracking IDs section. Click on the tracking ID you want to modify. Make your necessary changes before saving them again. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy before using the Hoplink. Now you're ready to use your updated ClickBank Hoplink for your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.